Online payslips in Sage Payroll. Automate your payroll reporting with online payslips and P60s. Easily access payslips and P60 documents online, anytime from anywhere. Storage is secure and eliminates the need for paper copies. In this video, we'll show you how to set up online payslips and P60s. Invite your employees to online payslips, either in bulk or individually. View employees and their online documents in Sage HR. Manage employee access, such as removing an employee or editing their information. First, let's look at setting up online payslips. Setting up online payslips is quick and easy. This process allows your Sage Payroll to integrate with Sage HR. Before setting up online payslips, you should make sure you have the following data in Sage Payroll. Your company address. Make sure this is entered and up to date. Employee national insurance numbers. Check each employee record has their national insurance number entered. Email addresses for each employee. Check each employee record has an email address entered. They get an activation email as part of the process, and this will be the email address the employee will use to log into Sage HR. Let's get started. Within Sage Payroll, go to Settings and click Sage HR. Here, you're presented with a short demonstration video and additional information about Sage HR. There's also a link to our help content if you need further guidance. To set up online payslips, click Activate Sage HR Essentials. Once activated, to access Sage HR, click Go to Sage HR. Within Sage HR, your employees will appear in the Company section. If you click Payslips or Payslips and P60s, you'll see this message. This is because we haven't set up online payslips for our employees. Let's do this now. To return to Sage Payroll, from the drop-down menu at the top left, click Payroll. To return to your online payslip settings, click the Settings menu, and then Online Payslips and Sage HR. The status of your online payslips is shown in the first section. The Publish Date section shows your specified publish date. This is the date the employee will be able to view their payslip online. By default, the publish date is set to the same day as the pay date. To change this, use the drop-down menu and choose your preferred option from the list. A link to invite your employees to Sage HR appears here. All new employees added to your payroll in future will be automatically assigned online payslips. To save any changes you have made, click Save. Let's invite our current employees to Sage HR. Start from the Employees tab. You can invite multiple employees to use online payslips using bulk actions or individually in their employee record. To invite employees in bulk, simply click Bulk Actions and select the checkbox against the employees you want to send the invite to. Click Invite to Sage HR. This message will appear. To send the invite to the employees, click Continue. This will upload the employee payslips and P60s for the current and previous 2 tax years. The duration of this process depends on the number of employees being invited and the number of payslips and P60s being uploaded. This message can be closed if you wish to continue working in Sage Payroll while the inviting and uploading continues. Once complete, we're presented with a confirmation message. You can close the message or go to Sage HR. We'll close this message. To exit bulk actions, click here. To invite an employee individually, access the relevant record. Then go to Pay Document Preferences, select Online, then click Send Invitation. The invitation will be sent immediately, and documents for the current and last 2 tax years will be uploaded. To exit the employee record, click Cancel. Regardless of which way you choose to invite your employees, they'll receive an invitation email. The email contains a link to access their payslips and P60s online using Sage HR. In the Employees tab, The Pay Document Preferences column shows each employee's document preference at a glance. If you do not see this column, click Customize and select the checkbox. Remember to save your changes. The column will appear. Back on the summary page, you can see more information about Sage HR Essentials and your online payslip status. Let's look at publishing your payslips. Payslips are automatically published on the specified publish date. Once published, your employees can view their payslip online or using the mobile app. Process your payroll as usual. When you get to the Confirm step of your pay run, the publish date for your online payslips is confirmed here. If you need to change this date, simply click Change Publish Date. Enter the new date and click Save. When you're ready to complete the pay run, click Complete Pay Run. Your completed pay run screen shows online payslip information on the right. This message will change once the payslips have been published to Sage HR Essentials. Employees get an email each time a new payslip is available and can view detailed payslip information on screen or download a PDF version to print or share. There may be times when you need to remove an employee's access to online payslips or change their email address. To change the employee email address, access their record via the Employees tab. Then click Change Email Address. Enter the new email and remember to save your changes. The employee will automatically receive an invitation email to their new email address. If an employee leaves or you don't want them to be able to access online documents, you can remove their access. From the Pay Document Preferences tab, click Remove Access. This message will appear. To confirm, click Remove Access. If you correct a pay run after it has been completed and the payslips have already been published, you should publish the new, corrected payslips. From the completed pay run screen, you will see this message. Select Publish Payslips. This will upload the new payslips and overwrite the existing ones. Let's look at online payslips in Sage HR. There are several ways to access Sage HR. The first is by clicking View Payslips here in the Summary tab. The next is in Settings, and then Online Payslips and HR. You can also access this using the drop-down at the top left to switch from Payroll to HR. In the Payslips section, you can view the online documents for your company. There's a Payslips tab and a P60s tab. You can search for employees here and filter by date range using this button. To view a payslip, click on the relevant line here. You can download a PDF version if required. To download payslips in bulk, select the relevant checkboxes and click here. You can also access payslips and P60s in the company menu. Choose an employee, then click Payslips and P60s. To return to Sage Payroll, from the drop-down menu at the top left, click Payroll. For more help and guidance on online payslips for you or your employees, access our Help Center by clicking Help at the top right. You have now learned how to set up, publish, and manage online payslips in Sage Payroll.